Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how AI-generated content has evolved in 2026. From digital artists to AI-driven Hollywood movies, the creative landscape has changed faster than we ever imagined. Let's break down what's new, what's exciting, and what might be a little unsettling. AI-generated art has reached an entirely new level. In the past, AI could create impressive digital paintings and photorealistic images, but now, AI doesn't just generate artwork, it collaborates with human creators in real time. Designers can sketch a rough idea, and AI refines it instantly, adapting to their style and even suggesting improvements. Fashion brands are now using AI to predict future trends, creating entire collections before a single piece is physically produced. Music has also been revolutionized. AI is no longer just composing simple background tracks, it's generating full songs with lyrics, melodies, and even vocals that sound indistinguishable from real artists. Some AI musicians have gained global followings, performing live in virtual spaces, and even collaborating with human artists. The industry is debating whether an AI-generated song should be eligible for major music awards, and it's only a matter of time before we see one topping the charts. The film and TV industry has embraced AI in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. AI-generated scripts are becoming more complex, capable of writing engaging dialogue and entire story arcs. Filmmakers can now use AI to create digital actors that don't exist in real life, completely synthetic performers who can play any role without limitations. AI-driven editing tools can adjust lighting, camera angles, and even performances after filming is complete, revolutionizing post-production. AI influencers are another game changer. Social media is now filled with hyper-realistic, AI-generated personalities who interact with fans, post daily content, and even endorse products. Many people can't tell the difference between AI influencers and real humans, leading to debates about authenticity and ethics. Some AI influencers have even sparked online controversies, proving that artificial personalities can be just as influential, and sometimes just as problematic, as real people. Of course, AI-generated content raises serious ethical questions. Who owns AI-created art, music, or stories? Can AI-generated actors replace human performers? What happens when AI influencers spread misinformation or push biased narratives? Governments and tech companies are scrambling to set guidelines, but regulation is still playing catch-up with technology. Looking ahead, the future of AI-generated content is both thrilling and unpredictable. Personalized entertainment experiences are on the horizon, where AI tailors movies, music, and books to individual tastes in real time. AI-driven video games could generate infinite worlds, adapting to a player's choices like never before. While some fear the loss of human creativity, others see this as a new era of collaboration between humans and machines. What do you think about the rise of AI-generated content? Is it an exciting breakthrough, or is it taking creativity too far? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.